Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my winter deep condition routine. And as you can see, I am in need of some moisture. My hair has been through it. It has been in a bun for about the last 4 or 5 days. And at this point, it's bad. So before we get into any of that, if you'll please hit the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any time that I upload. And yeah, let's get into this routine. If you ever wanted to see what my hair looked like with no product in it, then this is what you got. It's like super soft and light and fluffy. I washed my hair and I am going to apply my deep conditioner now. I'm just kind of making my own little concoction here using a couple of my favorites. So I am going to use some of the Garnier Whole Blends repairing mask, the Honey Treasures one, and then I'm also going to mix in some of the Mielle Organics Babassu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner. And I'm going to use a couple of my favorite moisturizing oils. This is the Mielle Organics Mint Almond Oil, which just has soybean, sweet almond oil, and peppermint oil, and then also a little bit of the Trader Joe's Argan oil, just a couple of drops of both of those. So I start off sectioning my hair into 2 halves, and then I will section each half into like 3 or 4 smaller sections. Normally I do all of this in the shower and it goes a lot faster. So I'm just re-wetting my hair and then I'm just applying the product. I mainly like to apply my deep conditioner in the shower with soaking wet hair. The wetter, the better, because it is easier to finger detangle when my hair is like super soaking wet, okay? I know you're supposed to start at the bottom and work your way up to the top, but sometimes I just start at the top and work my way down, finding any tangles, and then any tangles that I find, I just try to like softly separate them without ripping any of my hair. And then I just load up on the deep conditioner. The more the better. This just makes my hair feel very, very soft. It has an amazing amount of slip to it. That peppermint oil gives it a little bit of tingling, and then it just smells great also. Don't be lost.
I just want the simple things to smoke with me, baby. Laugh with me, baby. To smoke with me, baby. And I just want the simple things. I just want you. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I want you. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I want you. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I want you.
This next part is a new addition to my deep condition routine. I picked this steamer up from my local beauty supply store, and it is by the brand, isn't it like Red Pro, I think? Either way, it is a hair steamer, but it also has a facial attachment, and you can do facials at home, which I think is pretty cool. But you just fill the reservoir up with water and then flip both switches on the front on. I let it heat up, and then when the steam starts to come out, just somehow manage to scoot myself underneath there with my big head, and it's a little awkward because I'm kind of tall. So yeah, I just sat there until all of the water ran out, and it was probably about 15 minutes maybe. And then what the steam is going to do is just keep that hair follicle open so that the deep conditioner can just like continue to penetrate your hair. And then afterwards, this is what my hair looked like. It just has restored all the shine, the curl, the moisture back into my hair. My hair felt the softest it's felt in a very long time using that little deep conditioner mixture as well as the steamer. So yeah, thank you guys so much as always for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.